this is South Africa. This is a mall.
Yeah, it's called St. George's Mall. From the other side of the mall, called St. George's Mall. Some colonialists. But the Bushmen, the Khoisan, they've got the original name of this space. This is the market where they used to sell slaves. Back in the days. The slaves built this ground.
These are just performance to perform.
From the ghettos, some youths. But it's more like some choral vibe. But if you go to the waterfront, you see other.
This is the African. You see. Let me tell you something. Teba, this is Rondie for SaveJamaica.com, hanging out with Teba, the lion.
Yes, sir.
Jamaica, I'm bringing you to Cape Town, South Africa. And I want to show you the real Cape Town, South Africa. Look at that beautiful scenery down there. I'm coming back here, Teba. You have people singing on the street. You have beautiful people dining. And then you got up the road right there. The temperature here is amazing, Teba.
Yeah. As soon as I go to the coastline, we're going to go from the west coast to the east coast, to the mountain, to the most southern part of the continent in the city. From the high class, middle class to the lowest class.
All right. Yeah. So then here we have the market with all the crafts and stuff.
See this artist? He's a visual artist.
Yes, sir. Respect.
From Congo.
Respect. This is you?
Me and this brother, we have a history with this brother.
Yeah?
Yes, I lost my laptop. You know the street man, then they say he stole my laptop.
No, me, I always did. No.
And then he said, no, nothing like that happened. But I forgave him because I don't know what happened.
I'm always telling the truth. God
He
is
said,
my witness.
he said God is his witness.
Yes, I always tell you. I didn't know nothing. And I remember one party. But when the things was happening, I didn't know nothing. I didn't even know that the car is open.
From Congo. You see, he's from Congo. He got some other experience of African migration into the city. Came to the city as a visual artist, which you see is a serious man. He's been accused of things. And but me, as African, nothing but love. You see, and he's explaining things to me. This man. So how's the business, bro?
Yeah, we thank God.
Yes, sir.
One day in, one day off. At least when he's giving us bread.
Yeah.
So where's your art?
This is my art.
Oh, he's...
Now you artwork may go to Caribbean. Introduce yourself to the camera.
Yes, sir, King. Tell us about your work.
Yeah, I do oil and canvas. I do all kind of jobs, abstract, and I work with palette knife, like those pieces you see, the couples, the women.
Okay.
I use the elephant and the palette knife.
Nice. Wonderful. Wow, you're the real deal. You're from the Congo. And your name is Peter Mukendi. Guys, this is Peter Mukendi, 2017 African art. Oh, okay. I see you, Mr. Mukendi. I see you. Yes, I see you. Huh. This one here. This one is, I like that.
Those I make it just like an abstract, but the traditional outfit is given away. This one I just make it like an abstract.
Lovely. All right, we're gonna come back around, check you. All right. Respect, sir. It's an honor. Respect. All right. So there are different things, jewelry in the market at Cape Town. Okay. How you doing? Can I film? These are penguins. How much are these penguins?
How are you?
How you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm Rondie from Jamaica.
Yeah?
So you're not going to give me any tourist price?
I'll give you a good deal. A brotherly price.
I want to see brotherly price. Oh, this is my
These are made out of springstone.
springstone?
Yes.
And where do you find those?
These you can only get them in Zimbabwe.
In Zimbabwe?
Yes. I'm from Zimbabwe.
You're from Zimbabwe?
Yes.
You don't look like a South African.
I look like
You don't look South African.
I'm from
wondering why
Zimbabwe.
you're from Zimbabwe. A lot of people are from Zimbabwe here.
yeah, we are a lot.
It's a good family.
Yeah, we are a lot.
So these are all special stones?
Yes. Like this one, that's springstone. That's leopard rock because of the spots.
Yes.
It's leopard rock. That's butter jade. That is lapidolite.
Yes.
The green one is verdite.
Wow, so these are healing stones also.
I'm not quite sure in that side, but that what I know is that they are special stones. I think there's a shop down there that sells them. And then we have these ones here. That's fruit serpentine. And then we have the green one at the back there. That's opal.
And who makes these?
My husband makes some of them, and like the family.
Nice. Lovely. We're taking a tour. We've seen everything, so we'll come back. But when I come back here, what are you gonna give me this for?
Those ones we sell them for 130,
Okay.
but I can give you like for 80.
This is good. Sorry, look at that. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, it's like that. It
I'm gonna
happens.
come back and pick it up. My daughter loves penguins, so we have to
Okay.
go see them.
When are you coming back?
Let's do it now, because I gotta hold this for me. This is great. She loves. I want to figure out which one of them has a personality. This one has a personality. See this one right here? That one has a.
And this one too.
Oh, I like this one better.
Maybe you can get it too.
No, she's one.
It's gonna be lonely.
No, spiritually blessed.
You know them, and they must wake up in the morning, greet each other.
Here, you could keep that.
Okay, thank you
That's-
so much.
that's-
So you like that?
I just want this one.
Okay, let me wrap it for you.
That's for my daughter. If I didn't get her that.
Because the elephant
I'm gonna put you one thing in
and the lion.
Yes, this is Rondie on the South African tour. You know me take you everywhere. Bless you and your family. Blessings to you and your family. Love, life, breathe. The African here is the best here. Jah Rastafari Selassie. Blessings.
So there's a very Ethiopian brother of mine, but there's another one just as the shop. He's got all kinds of stones, healing stones.
Yeah.
Tell you exactly what suits you, whatever.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. This is it's a public holiday, so it's not so busy. But it's where they also do the free jazz festival concert.
So this is Georgetown. You said it was with
This is George's Mall.
George's
This
Mall.
particular spot is called Greenmarket Square.
And what's historical about this
It's
place?
where they used to sell the slaves.
Sell the slaves here.
This
Okay.
market.
Wow.
Greenmarket Street. As you can see, the archaeology is quite Eurocentric,
The architecture, right?
colonial
The architecture. Right?
architecture. The buildings.
Yeah.
System. In Cape Town, you see
Thank you so much, brother.
Oh, it's an honor. Thank
Enjoy
you so
your
much.
day.
Tell me a
Thank you
story
so
your
much.
grandmother used to tell you. What do you have to say to the Western world? To all the women in the world. If you had to send them a message from Zimbabwe, what would you say to them?
A message about?
Life.
anything that you think is important.
If you could speak to 5,000 people, what would you say to them?
Oh, something about Chimrenga.
I'm not sure now though, so like.
Exactly.
But
What makes you a
Maybe-
woman? What makes you a strong
Okay.
African woman?
I think a woman has to stay true to herself. Believe in yourself. Always. You'll conquer.
Zimbabwe forever.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Thank
Give
you.
thanks.
Bulawayo.
Love you.
Nanya kulum.
You know them fingers.
Yeah, we have them. There is a part that is for Abafem.
Oh, this market is so nice.
Cape Town.
Cape Town. Okay.
I'm from Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica. Okay, Cape Town, Jamaica, there's Zimbabwe.
Hey,
Everyone meets here.
All unite, you know, all unite. Oh, they have a slingshot. Whoa.
Only when you don't have boys, that's one. But when you have boys,
All right. Thank you. Hey, Jamaica, I'm just showing you the African ground, and you're going to love it. Because I'm Rondie. I'm going to show you a tree. You're going to love it.
You see the cooking. You see where we're gonna get food in the ghetto. After we're gonna buy raw fish, and then we're gonna go
So
to
let's move.
we're gonna go to the Burundian rice and beans and I think
Because
it's
Teba, you know this is the adventure of Teba and Rondie.
yeah,
That's the name of the film.
All right, straight.
This is the adventure of Teba and Rondie. Every time I go on an adventure with someone, they love them.
Yeah.
They say, "Where's Teba? Rondie, we need to see Teba."
Let
Right?
me introduce you to my Ethiopian
Let's do it.
friend.
Let's do it.
This man, he wants to take me to Shashaman.
All right.
But, yeah, man.
I gotta touch this man's hand, get some money. Oh yes, that's a lot of money right there. Yes, King. Respect.
This is my friend right here. From a long time. So,
How you doing?
oh, over there. So.
Wow, Teba. The air is so amazing, Teba. It is so beautiful here in Cape Town. Oh man,
Take
Teba.
you to the crystal shop.
You gotta take me to the garment shop.
Yes.
Teba, this is your show, Teba.
All right.
Just 5,000 people watching you, Teba.
Let us source the garment shop. And right now I'm gonna go to my Tanzanian brother.
Tanzania.
Yes. Who used to have a shop. You sell all African attire. And he knows who designed the best in the business. Yes, sir.
Respect, sir.
How you
Respect.
doing? You good?
Everything good.
Yeah.
Respect,
What up?
sir. Respect.
What up? Ahoy, that's someone.
Respect.
Yes, I. Yes, I.
My lord.
Yeah, man.
How's
Yeah.
things
The
fire?
king. Zimbabwe?
Together, yeah, for Malawi.
Oh, the real
Yeah.
I'm calling
virgin.
Malawi. You know, Malawi is the way is the God. You know the God, Malawi God.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
the people
I
come from
was in-
Jamaica, go to Malawi, fetch to Malawi God
I was in Katabe.
in Hatabe. Yeah, that's the way to go from the Malawi.
Where you
God.
from? Zimbabwe?
No, Malawi too.
Malawi.
I've been to Malawi.
You know, this is a Jamaican.
Jamaican.
Come, where you
Oh
from?
shit.
Oh, somebody.
Yeah.
Let's
Oh, youngsters.
come in the picture, bro. Come over here.
You can come through.
Yeah.
Show here.
Yes, sir. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Let's take a picture. This man look like Tanzanian, you know.
The Kenyan.
That's a Kenyan. Bring him in the picture too.
yeah.
Well, what are you from?
Bro, you come stand here. Yeah. Present.
Where this one from? That one over there.
I see them Malawi.
Where he from? Malawi. I need another culture.
This is the Mali.
Huh?
Mali.
Who's from Mali? Can you come over here? I'm Jamaican. You come. Let's go. Line up, Virgin. This is the King reunion. Come in.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I. Rastafari. Big up.
Oh, that's good. Do I know Malawian?
Yeah.
This man.
Kenyan.
Kenya?
Malien. Mali.
Mali?
Yeah.
Tanzania.
Malawi, yeah.
Malawi too.
Malawi, yeah.
Malawi too. Malawi
Yeah,
too.
Malawi. Hey, yo, nigga, shut. Hey, what's up, yo?
I'm from the USA, United States of Africa.
Yo. Come take a picture, man.
You know what it is, man.
Hold it to me. I have to get in there.
That's what.
Yes,
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
You see the little white button? Snap that.
Yeah, you need to pull together.
So now, this is Rondie from Jamaica.
Don't press.
Oh, it's touching your
It's okay, it's okay.
Oh, it's
It
okay.
feels both.
Yeah. I'm from Malawi too, yeah. Yo, Malawi.
Malawi,
You also
yeah,
Malawi.
Malawi, and
Representing
representing.
Malawi.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Senegalese.
Senegalese. Come over, Senegalese.
Where you from? Where you from, Reggie? Where you from?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Africa forever. Respect
This is Nigga Shack.
I mean,
Locally. Yeah, what up? Yeah, what's up, man? So you don't want to get something?
No, we good.
Yeah, for real. I'm going to show you what I got to take. Yeah, for real. I give you almost a frame for you, man. You know my brother from Manama.
Take photo. Got to take photo.
You know, for real? Yeah. Oh, yeah. What's your name?
Where you from?
I'm from Malawi.
You have to speak your language.
For real?
Yeah, international.
Jamaica, you have the king. What your king name?
Yeah, I'm from Malawi.
Malawi?
Yeah, Malawi.
Tell them something about Malawi. What should we know? What should Jamaicans know about Malawi? Come over here.
Oh, I think the almost Jamaicans they know about Malawi because almost them they go to Malawi to take some like Malawi God. Yeah, you know Malawi God?
No.
Oh shit! See, Malawi God is something the one is putting inside of a banana leaf. That's what we calling marijuana. So in Malawi you don't call marijuana, but just calling Malawi God. That's a powerful African ganja.
So wait a minute. You guys have African ganja. You could introduce me to?
Yeah, you know.
You mean that? What are you saying to me, my brother? Go in the camera. Talk to him about it. What's it? Tell him about. Tell him about.
Yo, what's up, buddy?
What's up, yo?
Yeah, that's what we have in Africa. We have the right marijuana in Africa, more especially from Malawi.
What are you saying to
That's
me?
a high grade.
What are you saying to me? But is it in Cape Town?
No, not in Cape Town. That's in Malawi. If you go to Kota,
So I need to come. How far is Malawi from here?
from here, maybe it's just if you take a plane, just 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah, 2 to 3 hours. You'll be.
So when I come back, I gotta come hang out with you guys.
Yeah, no problem. We're gonna show you where you can get. We have the farm there.
So can you? Whoa, you might not want to show everybody. But it's important the people in the world know you.
Yeah, they must know us.
yeah,
so
They
we have
must know
everything
you.
there,
Yeah.
So you're gonna like we can't
Yeah.
get space.
Amigo. Angolano. Yeah, this is my friend from Angola.
Angola,
Yeah.
give thanks, respect. Angola, this place is,
them, yeah.
You're from Angola too? Stand up over there. This place is
Yeah, you
rich.
can come, guys. You can come, man.
It's
Just
okay.
showing
Oh, it is, my nigga.
just show the small thing. Yeah, he's from Jamaica, this guy.
Yeah. So you guys from Angola?
Yeah.
What's special about Angola? What are you guys known for? Because we're the fastest in the world. You respect us, right? We're Jamaicans. Do you respect us?
Yeah.
Because we're the fastest in the world, right? Fastest king, right? Baddest African? Yeah? Yeah, good. So what's special about Malawi? Angola. What's special about Angola? What do you represent? We represent the fastest in the world. What do you represent?
We go at basketball.
You good at basketball? Who's your champion?
We have many players.
Many champions?
Yeah.
Where you from, Malawi too?
No, Angola.
Angola, respect. Everybody looks different, you know? You guys look the same with your round nose. These guys look different than...
So, amigo, what's it? 1, 2. 2. Yeah. Okay, just hold on 1 minute. Come. Yeah,
Respect, all right? Yes, it's good to meet you. Angola. What are you guys known for, though? I can't pick up anything about Angola. Mountains, Jamaica. Rivers, what's in Angola?
We have rivers.
Well, what is it known for? Animals?
Why would I?
Yeah, we have like animal that doesn't exist in the world.
What's that animal?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
Palanca.
Negra. You know Palanca. It's our country team name. You know Palanca.
So you guys are very quiet Africans. You seem to be very calm. Are you guys warriors? Are you the warrior type? Music?
Yeah, we have good music as well.
Okay. We're trying to represent each country, you know, see where the kingdom come from and wanna deal with, because this is my first time here. And meeting so many of you in one place is like, Jamaicans don't know that Cape Town is this powerful. It's for me I say that you have man like you, and man like you just assemble. In the United States, it don't look like this. So to see you guys in one place, for me, it's like this wicked. So it's an honor, right? Respect, sir. Respect. So you tell me about the Jamaican. Look at this. This is a slingshot right here. And I used to make these. I used to make these when I was a boy. Yeah, and there's a tree straight. They use the car tire sometimes. How much are these slingshots? Somebody can give me as a gift when I come back. Yo, that's the real deal. So growing up, King, what are some of the things you remember growing up from your grandmother?
Okay. Oh, but I remember a long time, the one I was like 4 years, I was lucky to go to catching fish in Lake Malawi, because I'm not far from Lake Malawi. Yeah, I was like just 10-15 minutes to walk from my house to go to Lake Malawi.
All right.
So I was planning to not go to school, I was going to catch a fish.
So what about hippos and crocodiles?
It is a coconut, more coconut.
Crocodile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coconut, yeah.
But also, I heard in the canoe, the hippos, they don't like the canoe.
Don't like, but now it's no more hippos. The hippos now is in somewhere.
Yes, they
Yeah,
kill them.
now they kill them, they're all hippos. So now
They
it's
are
no more
catching some
hippos.
people also.
Now we can swim in Malawi.
Bila na mwene.
And swim in
We
far
do something
away.
we don't the tools. Kwa usual.
Where is from Malawi
That's my
too?
homeboy, yeah.
Yes, I.
So everybody come from all over Africa to Cape Town?
Yeah. It's a good country to me.
Trading.
Just to survive.
Yes, I am. Yeah, man.
Wow, look at Cape Town, Virgin. So the Jamaicans are not really represented here. Because you know Jamaica is in the color of your flag. You know that. Or Cape Town. You see that?
Almost all the African countries have Jamaican
Even
flag.
West Africa countries.
Yeah. People all over the
Senegal.
world, this is Rondie again. You must come to Cape Town. This is my first time in Africa.
It's your first time
brethren.
in Cape Town.
In Africa.
So I want to tell you something.
Tell me something.
Yeah,
brethren.
what I'm going to tell you is this place you are. That's the first place where the slave trade started. This is a place. We call it Greenmarket Square. Yeah.
Right here.
Right here, where you
These
start.
stones.
These stones.
The first place.
This is the first place where they were trading. Slave trade started.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So
you
these
see the church?
centers-
This is the Methodist church.
Oh.
Yeah. Also, we have the museum there. The king was standing on top of there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's it. That's where you
Okay,
are.
okay.
Maybe you know about the history about slave trade.
I don't know
Yeah.
about this place.
This place right here.
So they have the Christian church right
Yeah, this
there.
is Methodist church.
The slavery starts here.
Start here, and the king was standing on top over there. This is the museum.
He was there.
Yeah, he was there. And also, if you go to that board there, see that board there? You see that thing there? Next to the security, there's a board there. If you want to know the history about this market, you will know everything
right
about
there.
Cape Town. Yeah, everywhere.
Wow. And the name of the market again is?
Greenmarket Square.
Greenmarket Square.
Yeah.
So when you come to South Africa, come to Greenmarket
Everyone
Square.
knows about Greenmarket Square. Worldwide.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know, I didn't do my research yet, but I have you
Worldwide.
guys, you know. Respect.
This history for days, all these buildings, the histories.
Yeah.
They're talking about water crisis.
You see
But
that building
literally
there?
under the city, there's channels of water, spring waters carried from the mountains, channeled to the ocean.
Yeah.
And of course, some of it privatized by news. Not even news, some sectors. But anyway, that's a story for another day.
Yeah. You can see even this building
Must
there.
go to the council.
Was built in 1930. But see on top there. Was built in 1930. Each and every building has got its own
Story.
story. You see? Also,
But, we are
there's a building there for the readership. This is a readership house. This building here. You see somewhere is written readership house. Yeah. If you go maybe forward, you can see somewhere is written readership house.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. You guys, but you see what, I'm going to cut this. So, yo, Jamaicans, this is Rondie again with the king, the
Yeah.
king, and the king.
And the
Malawi. You see me?
No.
All right. So now, we can't believe the color, the contrast, the blessings the Almighty has given me to make this journey and meet the kings and the kings. You're going to hear more from these guys because these guys are going to be producing films so you can know all the history about Cape Town. This is Rondie signing off again. Guys, give you a salute. Tell Jamaicans how much you love them. Tell them what Jamaica mean to you. Go ahead.
We
You
love
go.
Jamaica, Lord. We love Jamaica. We love Jamaica.
We
All
love
of
Jamaica
Africa.
for the music. We have nice music. Yeah. One day we coming in Jamaica.
Yes.
Yeah.
Marcus gave you a tugboat, you see, real African, here or that, you see. Jamaica to the world. Jamaica sing about roots and culture, repatriation. So we are set up with ground for the brothers and sisters to come over. You see it, repatriation, must.
So respect. Anna, I don't know what I don't know. Respect. Check out these earrings. Ah, yes. Oh, South Africa, this is
These
good.
are African beads.
Who made these? Your people?
This is not me. I just give someone work to do for me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but this one I can tell you that's my work.
This your work?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. This come from the coconut.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Wow. And this one here is special. What's this?
that's the horn from the cow.
The horn from the cow? This right here. Nice. I love these.
Yeah,
So you have an email or a phone number or website?
I have the email address. The website is mine is there. I didn't activate.
You didn't activate the website?
Yeah,
Do you have an SA store or what's your email address?
it's georgem@yahoo.com.
Do it simple. Do it real simple for them and slow for them.
Is the NJORO and let me check. Sorry, on the phone.
No problem.
Hello. Hey James.
Some jars in here.
Kawase jiri ya dimo.
We have to eat. Me not eat from there, but my work.
So